Learn English to Gujarati. Come in conditional forms with
āvavuṁ.
welcome, come in. Hey, you're here, and that means your language brain already deserves a biscuit. Today you'll learn how to say come and several would come forms in Gujarati without sounding like a confused doorbell. Welcome to your English to Gujarati adventure. Our star word is
āvavuṁ.
which means come, but we are not stopping there. Oh no, we are inviting the whole grammatical family over for tea. You'll also meet
હું આવું હોત.
for I would come,
તું આવત.
for you would come,
તે આવેત.
for he would come,
તે આવે.
for she would come,
આવત.
for it would come,
અમે આવીએ.
for we would come,
તમે બધા આવતા.
for you all would come, and
તેઓ આવશે.
for they would come. Yes, that is a lot of coming. No one is leaving. Your main word today. Let's start with the base word, because every good language journey begins with one brave little verb. The basic Gujarati word for come is
āvavuṁ.
say it slowly.
āvavuṁ.
Imagine a friend walking toward your door. Above their head, in giant glowing letters, you see
āvavuṁ.
dramatic? Yes. Useful? Also yes. Example, please come here. In Gujarati.
કૃપા કરીને અહીં આવવું.
Example, they want to come early.
તે લોકો વહેલા આવવું માંગે છે.
Example, I saw the train come in.
મેં ટ્રેનને અંદર આવવું જોયું.
Tiny memory trick. Think, Ava, come over. That helps you remember.
આવવું.
A funny door story. Now let's turn these words into a mini story, because your brain loves stories almost as much as it loves snacks. You are at home making chai. You hear a knock. You say, ah, someone wants to.
આવવું.
Quote. Then your friend calls and says, if I had time.
હું આવું હોત.
Quote. Another friend sends a message. Maybe.
તું આવત.
But you forgot where my house is. A neighbor whispers mysteriously, if we invited him.
તે આવેત.
Quote. Your cousin says, maybe.
તે આવે.
After work. The bus is late, so someone shrugs and says,
આવત.
if the road were open. Your whole team texts, don't worry.
અમે આવીએ.
Quote. The family group chat explodes.
તમે બધા આવતા.
If it stopped raining. Finally, Grandma smiles with absolute confidence and says,
તેઓ આવશે.
Quote. And then? The door opens. It is only the delivery person. But at least your Gujarati improved. Meet the whole come family. Here comes the full set. Read, listen, repeat, and try not to invite the entire neighborhood by accident. Come equals.
આવવું.
I would come equals.
હું આવું હોત.
You would come equals.
તું આવત.
He would come equals.
તે આવેત.
She would come equals.
તે આવે.
It would come equals.
આવત.
We would come equals.
અમે આવીએ.
You all would come equals.
તમે બધા આવતા.
They would come equals.
તેઓ આવશે.
Quick dialogue practice. Let's make the words move. Listen like it's a tiny radio drama with fewer explosions and more grammar. A. Will you come? B. Yes, I will.
આવવું.
A. If I invited you, what would you say? B.
હું આવું હોત.
A. I wondered whether you would come. B. Maybe.
તું આવત.
A. Would he visit? B. If the road were clear.
તે આવેત.
A. Will she join us? B. Maybe.
તે આવે.
A. Would the package arrive? B. Yes, it.
આવત.
If the truck moved faster than a sleepy turtle. A. Can your group join? B.
અમે આવીએ.
A. In better weather, what about all of you? B.
તમે બધા આવતા.
A. Are the guests coming? B. Yes.
તેઓ આવશે.
Mini quiz at the door. Time for a quick quiz. No pressure. Even if you miss one, the grammar police are busy somewhere else. Question. What is the Gujarati word for come? Answer.
આવવું.
Question. How do you say I would come? Answer.
હું આવું હોત.
Question. How do you say you would come? Answer.
તું આવત.
Question. How do you say he would come? Answer.
તી આવેત.
Question. How do you say she would come? Answer.
તી આવે.
Question. How do you say it would come? Answer.
આવત.
Question. How do you say we would come? Answer.
અમે આવીએ.
Question. How do you say you all would come? Answer.
તમે બધા આવતા.
Question. How do you say they would come? Answer.
તેઓ આવશે.
Memory tricks and mischief. Let's glue these words into your memory with a little rhythm, a little nonsense, and a lot of repetition. Picture your front door as a magical memory palace. On the welcome mat is
આવું.
you point to yourself and say.
હું આવું હોત.
You point to your friend and say.
તું આવત.
A hero on a bicycle appears.
તી આવેત.
A movie heroine enters in slow motion.
તી આવે.
A mysterious package rolls toward you.
આવત.
Then your entire team marches in chanting.
અમે આવીએ.
Behind them comes a giant family reunion shouting.
તમે બધા આવતા.
And finally, all the guests wave from the gate.
તેઓ આવશે.
If that image is absurd, perfect. Absurd images stick. Challenge round. Now you do a little recall by yourself. I'll give the English, and you try the Gujarati before the answer arrives like a polite guest. Say in Gujarati, come.
આવું.
Say in Gujarati, I would come.
હું આવું હોત.
Say in Gujarati, you would come.
તું આવત.
Say in Gujarati, he would come.
તી આવેત.
Say in Gujarati, she would come.
તી આવે.
Say in Gujarati, it would come.
આવત.
Say in Gujarati, we would come.
અમે આવીએ.
Say in Gujarati, you all would come.
તમે બધા આવતા.
Say in Gujarati, they would come.
તેઓ આવશે.
Friendly conclusion. You made it, and unlike our imaginary late guests, you actually showed up. Nicely done. Today you learned the Gujarati word for come.
આવું.
And a full set of related conditional forms.
હું આવું હોત. તું આવત. તી આવેત. તી આવે. આવત. અમે આવીએ. તમે બધા આવતા.
And.
તેઓ આવશે.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the words tomorrow, and use them in tiny sentences until they feel natural. You're doing great, and I'll be here when you're ready to come back and learn more.